Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I'm going to play this game. Let me show you, which is Siren Spell. We are going to go deeper today. I have 100 rand here. I decided that I must play with 250. These things of playing with 50 cents sometimes, I think we must stop it, guys. But if you don't have money, what can you do? So I'm going to play it with 250, as you can see. Let me return back myself so that you can see me. And then how you guys, I hope you are enjoying, you are having fun. And if you are a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe. I'm gonna do an auto spins of 50. Let's see, maybe we can get some bonus. Reason part why I'm playing with 250 is because of if something can happen, maybe I will change it before it goes when it's 50. You see what I'm talking about. When we are playing with a higher amount, this is what I was waiting for. We managed to get 300 rand and 19 rand, 3 rand and 19. So let's see if we can get a bonus, because these things of playing with small amount, I feel like it's the one which is making me lose money. So I'm not gonna be playing with a small amount anymore, guys. Please forgive me for that. I will start with 250. My max minimum is going to be 150 or 2 rand, else I feel like I've wasted more than 3,000. I've wasted more than 3k. I'm not lying to you guys. Wasted a lot of money because of playing with 100. I will be depositing 100, playing with 25 and etc. It was not working out for me. So let's see what this will take us. Maybe we might even get the bonus, who knows. Yes, you see, finally we got the bonus. Let's see how this bonus is going to pay us. I'm playing in Hollywoodbet, guys. So let's hope we can unlock all of them. Like have I ever unlocked, I'm not sure if I've unlocked all of them. One is 125 rand bonus buy on when I'm betting with 250. But let's see today what is going to happen. And thank you guys. If you are a new member, you can join our family by subscribing and support the family, and I will welcome you. Let me know in the comment section if you are a new member so that I can welcome you specially. All right, let's see if something can happen. We are left with 2. Yes, this is what we are talking about. We finally unlocked the first level. We are going to go to the second level, and then it is indeed a big win, guys. What can you say? Hashtag MasterGIT. We have 15 free games. Let's hope these 15 free games, they are going to do a very best work. Yes, baby, look at this, guys. This is what we want. This is what we want. This is what I'm looking for, guys. This is exactly why I love this game. So let's see what is going to happen. We still have 15 more games, baby. Let's see again what is going to happen. Let's see if we can unlock these games. Oh, they didn't connect, but let's see how it's going to happen. We are left with 10 to unlock and 10 free games. 10 it happens to us today, guys. Okay, 1 2 3, left with 8 to unlock the second level. We still have 6 games. Okay, it must not play us dead here, guys. It was supposed to unlock this level. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, only 1, guys. Imagine, to unlock the first level. Yes, we finally unlocked the second level. We are now going to the third level. There is something that I want to say, guys. There is something I really want to say, but I will say it after, if we manage to unlock this level. But let me just say it now. There is a person who said when you are playing with 175 or 125 in this Siren spell is very hot. I think I'm gonna agree with that person now. I think I really agree with that person. So let's see what is going to happen, guys. Let's hope to do it today, guys. It's quite a while. It's quite 28. We have how many games? 7 games. All we need is 2 ladies, guys. 2 ladies or 3, they can help a lot. two ladies here, they can help if it want to give us. Okay, it couldn't happen, but the nice thing, guys, is that I'm on profit. That's the nice thing that I will talk about. I am on profit, so why should I get worried? I am on profit. So we just need, can I get 5 world today? Can it happen again? Can I get those 5 world, guys? Okay, guys, I want to try something. I will be back here. Let me do 5 per spin. Let's see what will happen when you do 5 per spin. Imagine if it was 5 world, it was going to be so nice. And if we can get a bonus in this, we are going to be like as if we bought this bonus by 250 rand. So let's hope we can get something better and something good here quickly. We couldn't get the bonus there. Oh, let me see if we can balance it. Let me just do it automatic, because my objective here, guys, is to go home with 400 and above. So, or I should have just left with 500, but let's see what will happen. Today I'm not going to make a mistake of living here in Hollywoodbet with nothing. I'm going to make sure that at least in this money that I have, I will have a good profit. Let's see what 5 rand have for us today. Oh, we didn't get the bonus there. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go back to 2.50 rand because it's hot there. So I will go back to 2.50 rand. Maybe we will get something again. But I'm happy what happens today in Siren spell, guys. It started so well, and then with a higher bet, I've taken a risk. I